Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to review another site called Freeward.net. It's a very good survey site, so just log in. You can log in using Facebook or Google, as you're going to use Google. So this is the web page of Freeward survey site. So under the front page we have achievements, whereby you have up from level 1 up to level 15, and each achievement has its own benefits. So you can check here, the way they say you can earn XP. These are the coins which you earn after you complete various achievements or surveys or offers. You can earn XP for each offer stroke survey you complete. E.g., if you fill a 500 coin survey, you get 500 XP. For every 1000 XP you earn, you will level up. So for you to level up from level 1 to level 2 or level 5, you have to fill up this. For example, here if you level up to 1000, you will be moved to the next level, level 6. And also when you sign daily, you can claim daily rewards. For example, you can come and claim daily rewards, just free coins which add up to your amount here, which is garnered towards getting the 1000 XP for leveling up. So apart from that one, they have featured offers here, various offers. You can check them through. Video offers, then they have survey offers, your surveys and CISO surveys. Then our main thing is about surveys, so and offer walls. So you go to offer walls, you can see the variety of offer walls they offer. They host Riot Studios, LiveView, AdGate, Monetics, Routabri, Time Wall, Offertoro, and Asset Media, OneAds, Nautic, and so many other offer walls. But our main interest is survey walls. That's why I'm headed here directly. This is a very short update because the site is similar to Dollar.co and Freecash. So that's it. That's how it works. So under survey walls, as the first survey roads, it has various panels. They have survey XA, they have Pollfish, they have Bitrabs, they have custom surveys, they have precision sample, and they have opinion capital. For InBrain, for you to be able to access InBrain, your account has to be 30 days old, and you have to reach level 15. And each level, to level up, you have to earn 1000 coins to level up to the next level. So if you reach level 15 and your account is 30 days old, you can get InBrain. For CPX, your account has to be 40 days old and you need level 10. For Renewal, the account has to be 20 days and level 10 required. So that's it about that. So let me refresh here. Oh, you see, now it has loaded. This now I've refreshed again, sorry. So these are very easy sites to earn. It's similar to Freecash, Dollar.co, and 1000 points is equivalent to, this is Pollfish there. This site is equivalent to Freecash, and also 1000 points is equivalent to $1. So the minimum withdraw is 5000 points. So immediately you hit 5000 points, you can be able to withdraw through various options. And if you want to withdraw, just come click here, withdraw. There are many options, from PayPal, cryptocurrencies, Amazon, iTunes, and Visa card, Steam, Fortnite. There's so many options. You can scroll down to get all of them. Hope all of you guys can see them. They are here. From PayPal, cryptocurrency, Amazon, iTunes, if you don't want the hassles of paper verification, you can cash out using cryptocurrency. So just select cryptocurrency, then it will take you to withdraw options. You can select the coins you want, whether Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, Tether, Binance Coin, Dogecoin. You see, there are so many other coins you can withdraw to get your money, which you can then cash out with the other options. So I did a withdraw, so let's go to my rewards. On 6, my withdrawal took less than 24 hours, so I was testing out. So immediately I reached 5,000 points, which is $5. I cashed out, and within 24 hours I got my money. I requested on 6th November, and I got a deposit confirmation on 11th November 007. You can go to my email here. I can show you here. See, this is the transaction ID of my payment proof to my wallet, Trust Wallet. This is the address for my wallet. This is a transaction ID, which is a payment proof that they paid me on July 11th, exactly the same time listed on their site here. So guys, basically that's all about the new site. It's a new site. It's a very good site for earning crypto and PayPal, Amazon gift card or Visa card. So thank you guys for keeping it locked. Thank you.